Today is our first day of Number Corner without me. So we're going to start by getting out a notebook. On the top of the notebook, I want you to write the date. Today is September 16th, 2020. You can write it by writing 9/16/2020. Press pause if you need more time to write the date. The first thing you're going to do is write down your observation of today's calendar. As you can tell, we've already gone through 1 through 15. Here is today's calendar piece. What do you notice about today? What do you notice about the pattern with the number, with the representation of the number, and the colored background? Press pause while you're writing your observations. Now, friends, we are going to come over here to how many days we've been in school. Today, we've been in school for 3 days. We practiced representing 1 and 2 on day 1 and 2. Today, because it is our 3rd day of school, you're going to practice representing the number 3. How many different ways can you represent? Can you represent by drawing fingers? Can you represent by drawing the number of objects, which today is 3? Can you represent with coins? Can you represent with tallies? Can you represent in a 10 frame? Can you represent with an equation? I would challenge you to try to represent in all those ways. Press pause while you are writing ways to represent the number of days we've been in school, which is 3. As you know, today is our first day of online learning for a Number Corner. We will not be doing our collection graph on the days that we are not together. However, I would like to remind us of our poems for our coins. Let's sing our song. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. I would like you to sing it on your own. Here we go. Penny. Awesome. All right, we are moving on to the nickel. All right. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. Now it's your turn. Nickel. Awesome job, friends. When you are done, what you're going to do is take a picture of your notebook and then put that picture on the slides that you are turning in. Again, I'm going to go over the things that you are turning in. Please check your work as I go over them. You will be turning in your observations from the calendar. We are on September 16th, so you've had quite a few days to look at that calendar. And you are also turning in how many days we've been in school, your representation for the number 3. Have a wonderful day, friends. Persevere through anything that may be tough, and we will talk about any of your challenges from this day of learning without us.